Hello dear students of Standard 3, this is Shashwati Madam and today I am here with the lesson 3 of your English literature. The name of the chapter is My Early Home. This is a short story adapted from the story Black Beauty, which was written by Anna Sewell. So please look into the book or look into the video and listen to my explanation. The first place that I can well remember was a large pleasant meadow with a pond of clear water in it. Some shady trees leaned over it, and rushes and water lilies grew at the deep end. Over the hedge on one side we looked into a ploughed field, and on the other we looked over a gate at our master's house, which stood by the roadside. At the top of the meadow was a grove of fir trees, and at the bottom a running brook overhung by a steep bank. So, this is a story being narrated by Black Beauty, who was known as Darky when he was a young horse. Now, he is telling about his first place where he was born and brought up. The first place, what he remembers, was at a large, pleasant, very nice meadow. Meadow is a place filled with the green grass, and there was a pond of clear water, shady trees were there, and rushes and water lilies. These are the water plants which grew at the deep end. And over the hedge, on one side, there was a hedge that is a fence type with the green shrubs. So it looked into a ploughed field, and on other side they could see the gate of the master's house, which stood by the roadside. And at the top of the meadow was a grove of fir trees. Fir are long, tall trees. And at the bottom a running brook, a small stream. Brook means a small stream, overhung by a steep bank. When I was young, I lived upon my mother's milk, as I could not eat grass. In the daytime I ran by her side, and at night I lay down close by her. When it was hot, we used to stand by the pond in the shade of trees, and when it was cold, we had a nice warm shed near the grove. So he's telling that when he was young and he lived upon mother's milk, just like you all, when you were young, you lived on your mother's milk, and that time he was not able to eat grass. So in the daytime, what he used to do, he used to run by the side of his mother, and at night he used to lie down by her side. And when it was hot, they used to stand by the pond in the shade of the trees, and when it was cold, they had a warm shed near the grove of fir trees, and they used to take rest there. As soon as I was old enough to eat grass, my mother used to go out to work in the daytime and come back in the evening. So when this young horse was old enough to eat grass, then that time the mother used to go out to work in the daytime and used to come back in the evening. That's all for today. Thank you.